Have you ever wondered how your car works? What really happens inside that engine, and how does that fuel you're always buying make the whole car move? Hello everyone, this is Howard here from Advanced Mechanics, and in this video I'm going to be explaining to you in the most simplest way possible how a 4-stroke internal combustion engine works. So let's get into the video. So an engine basically turns chemical energy from the fuel you buy from a pump station into useful mechanical energy needed for your whole car to move. It does this by completing one combustion cycle in 4 distinct piston movements, or strokes if you may like. So let's take a close look at these piston movements or strokes and see what really happens inside the engine. The first movement a piston makes inside the cylinder is called the intake stroke. During this stroke, the piston inside the cylinder moves downwards, and at the same time, the intake valve opens. So picture this stroke as an engine inhaling or taking a deep breath, allowing air to enter inside the cylinder. The second piston movement is called the compression stroke. So in this stroke, the piston moves upwards, and at the same time, the intake valve closes, allowing the piston to compress the air trapped inside the cylinder. So once this trapped air inside the cylinder is compressed, it warms up in readiness for the next piston movement. The third piston movement is called the power stroke. The reason this stroke is called a power stroke is because this is where the fuel is actually ignited. The spark plug generates the spark, igniting the compressed air. That can be already mixed with fuel or sprayed directly as the piston reaches its highest peak. This controlled explosion pushes the piston downwards, generating the mechanical energy needed for the car to move. The fourth and final piston movement is called the exhaust stroke. In this stroke, the piston moves outwards, and at the same time, the exhaust valve opens, allowing exhaust gases to leave the cylinder. So picture this stroke as your engine taking a very deep breath out, expelling all the exhaust air. All the 4 strokes or piston movements have to happen in one complete combustion cycle. And these combustion cycles happen thousands of times, keeping the engine running. The rotational force or the twisting force or the torque generated by the engine goes to the transmission. Then the gearbox or transmission delivers this torque to the front, back, or all the 4 tires on your vehicle. One thing you have to take note is that these strokes do not happen at the same time in all the cylinders on your engine. These strokes happen in a suggested sequence to ensure that there is smooth power delivery, prevent intensive vibrations, and also keep the engine balanced. So there you have it. Next time you start your engine, just know that the combustion cycle is repeating itself 100 times to keep your engine running. If you like this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe so that you do not miss any of these videos. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next one.